Tomato? Is it yummy? No, not see yet. Yeah, you have tomato all over your mouth. Do you like tomato? Fresh from the garden. Did you pick that? Yeah?
And you washed it.
And you washed it. There's our garden. Wow. Either you really like tomatoes or you were still hungry.
A little bit of both.